Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Spacedesk is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective solutions for extending your computer's display across multiple devices, transforming your tablet, smartphone, or even another computer into a powerful secondary monitor without the need for expensive hardware upgrades or complex setups, making it an indispensable tool for multitaskers, gamers, and professionals seeking enhanced productivity and a more immersive digital experience. Number 5. For NM31.5 Small Folding Desk. Introducing our innovative folding computer desk. With a smart, space-saving design, it folds and unfolds in seconds, offering incredible flexibility for any room. This compact home office desk boasts a modern, concise look. Its high-quality desktop and sturdy metal frame ensure it fits perfectly into your home decor. Measuring 31.5 by 17.72 by 29.72 inches when expanded, it's the ideal size for small spaces, home offices, or cozy corners. When not in use, it folds down to a mere 31.5 by 2.55 by 29.72 inches. Tuck it away easily behind doors, sofas, or under beds. Get your new desk ready in minutes. It comes with clear instructions and all the tools you need for a fast and effortless setup. What we like. This desk offers incredible flexibility with its quick folding mechanism. It's perfect for those who need to maximize space in small apartments or dorm rooms. If you have limited living space and need a desk that can be easily stored away, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. It allows you to use your tablet as a second monitor for your PC. You can extend your Windows desktop to another screen. It works wirelessly over Wi-Fi. Number 4. Sauder Edge Water Computer Desk. Introducing the Sauder Edge Water Computer Desk, a stylish and functional addition to your home office. Its elegant estate black finish complements any decor. Crafted with durable engineered wood, this desk is built to last. It offers a sturdy surface for all your work essentials. Stay organized with convenient storage drawers. Keep your workspace tidy and clutter-free, with everything you need within reach. Transform your home office into a productive and beautiful space. This desk provides both style and practicality for your daily tasks. Full assembly is required to set up your new desk. Please follow the included instructions for a smooth and easy assembly process. What we like. This option provides essential storage to keep your workspace tidy. Its construction ensures durability for everyday use. If you're looking for a traditional desk with built-in organization and a timeless aesthetic, this would be a great fit for your home office. What people say. Pretty easy to put together. All the parts and assembly pieces are clearly marked, and the instructions are very clear. The desk looks really nice, and it is very sturdy. It isn't all real, solid wood and has a veneer top, but it is still super sturdy and well made. This desk is larger, having storage on both ends. Number 3. SHW55 Electric Height Adjustable Standing Desk. Experience seamless transitions between sitting and standing with our quiet, motorized lift system. It smoothly adjusts to your preferred height for optimal comfort throughout your workday. Keep your workspace tidy and organized with its built-in drawer for supplies and convenient hooks for headphones or bags. Everything you need is always within reach. Designed for your comfort and stability, it features adjustable floor levelers for any surface and a curved desktop edge for ergonomic wrist support. Work comfortably for longer periods. Enjoy a generous 55x 28-inch surface, perfect for dual monitors and all your essential equipment. The integrated cable management keeps wires neatly tucked away. This desk combines smart features like a built-in drawer and cable tray with a spacious work surface. It's designed to enhance your focus and productivity. Built with quality in mind, it offers reliable performance day after day. The sturdy construction ensures it can handle all your work needs. What we like. Experience a healthier workday with its smooth electric height adjustment. It includes thoughtful features to keep your workspace organized and comfortable. If you want to alternate between sitting and standing to improve your well-being and productivity, this desk is designed for you. What people say. It allows you to use your tablet as a second monitor for your PC. The software is easy to set up and use, allowing you to extend your Windows desktop to your tablet or smartphone. It works well for extending your desktop to another screen, providing a seamless experience. Number 2. FLEXISPOT EN1 One-Piece Standing Desk. Experience a seamless and rock-solid desktop, perfect for your home office, creative studio, or any setup requiring multiple monitors. It's built for stability and performance. This desk features a dense, durable, and sag-resistant surface. It's ideal for professionals who use drawing tablets, dual screens, or heavy equipment daily. Enjoy a deeper desktop that provides extra space for your work. It offers more room than typical desks, perfect for coders, creators, and multitaskers. Effortlessly adjust the height with smooth electric controls and save your preferred positions with 4 memory presets. Stay comfortable and energized throughout your workday. Get set up quickly with a simplified assembly process that involves fewer steps and less lifting. It's a hassle-free start for busy professionals and new standing desk users. What we like. This desk boasts a robust, seamless desktop that's built to last and handle multiple monitors. Its deeper surface offers more room to spread out. If you're a creative professional, coder, or designer who needs ample, stable space for your equipment, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The desk over feels like pretty good quality stuff, specifically the board and the desk legs columns. Assembly was easy and instructions were clear, didn't take me too long to set this up. This was so easy to assemble and man. I cannot believe I did not buy this in the first place. It is so solid, sturdy, beautiful. The wood piece is one piece and so solid, and satisfying. Number 1. FEZIBO Electric Standing Desk. Easily adjust your desk from 28.3 to 46.5 inches. With 3 memory presets, you can switch between sitting and standing with just one touch. It's perfect for any home office, gaming setup, or study area. Built with a reinforced steel frame, this desk supports up to 176 pounds. You can rely on a sturdy and wobble-free workspace, no matter the height. Experience reliable, long-term operation with its powerful motor, tested for up to 50,000 lift cycles. It operates quietly, with noise levels under 45 dB. Crafted from FSC certified wood, this desk is a sustainable choice. It comes in various sizes and colors to perfectly match your home office or workspace style. Most parts come pre-assembled, making setup a breeze. With a clear manual and video guide, you can be up and running in about 30 minutes. What we like. Enjoy effortless transitions between sitting and standing with its intuitive controls and quiet motor. The reinforced frame ensures a wobble-free experience at any height. If you value a stable, quiet, and easy-to-use standing desk for your home office or gaming setup, this is an excellent option. What people say. Spacedesk is a great tool for extending your desktop to another device. It works well for displaying content from your main computer on a secondary screen. The software allows for easy setup and connection between devices. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.